This is the brief on the forensic evidence that cracked the 3,000-year-old murder mystery of Pharaoh Ramesses III. So, how do we know what happened? Well, it's this amazing combination of ancient legal records, we're talking the Judicial Papyrus of Turin, and modern CT scans. Together, they tell the story of the Harem Conspiracy, a plot that really shook Egypt's new kingdom back around 1155 BCE. First off, modern forensics proved, without a doubt, that the assassination plot succeeded. You see, the pharaoh's mummy looked perfectly fine from the outside, but a 2012 CT scan revealed this deep, hidden gash in his throat, 7 centimeters wide and so severe it went right to the spine. It was instantly fatal. Second, it's pretty clear this wasn't just one person. Further scans found another injury, a partially chopped off left big toe. The wound suggests something heavy and sharp, like an axe or a sword. This tells us he was probably being attacked from the front and the back at the same time. Just brutal. And finally, DNA evidence identified the infamous screaming mummy. It turns out it was the main conspirator, Prince Pentaweret, Ramesses' own son. He was forced to commit suicide, and his burial was, well, it was a profound insult. He was barely embalmed and then wrapped in a ritually unclean sheepskin. This was designed to make sure his soul was condemned for eternity. So, by combining ancient papyrus with modern radiology, we finally have the full story of the treason that brought down Egypt's last great dynasty.